Hey guys, so today we're basically going to test the magnetic lashes out. I'm going to put this through my daily routine just to see how long it lasts. This way you guys can see if it's even worth it to have this, so you're not walking around at work and your lashes is falling off, or doing something crazy and your lashes is falling off. So I'm basically going to test it out for you. Oh, if you guys do not know, I actually don't wear eyeliner. Like, I haven't wore eyeliner in years because I decided for my first tattoo to be my eyeliner. And I swear everybody thought I was crazy, but I figured if I was gonna go for a tattoo, it was gonna be something that I wanted and something that was like beneficial, because the eyeliners that I used to wear like irritate my eyes. My eyes are so sensitive. So speaking of which, me using magnetic eyeliner, that will be another factor. So if my eyes are like super sensitive to it, then I'll know if these are a yay or nay as well, because I'm super sensitive. So we're definitely gonna test all that out. Okay, so I put the eyeliner on. I'm just gonna let it dry for a little bit. If you want like a valid test, this has to be based off of 2 layers, okay? Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the lashes on. Problem, this is just like, my eyes are small, I guess, and I need to cut the eyelashes, I mean. So if you see, it does go on, it looks like a thick band, so that's my only issue with this for now. Alright, so here we are with our lashes. It's there. Alright, so let's do test number 1. Touch it to death. Now, could you put a shirt on? And I'm gonna try a t-shirt. So, yeah, let's try it. Just for the sake. Okay, I can do it, I can manage it. And it actually did hit this one, but it feels pretty solid. So I would say let's try this. And I'm actually gonna hit them. Oh, hold on. Look, we're hitting them. We're hitting them. And it's passing. Okay, it passed the shirt. It didn't come off. Let me see if I need to readjust this. No, I'm good. I am good. Alright, the next one is how long it will stay on, and I'm gonna go work out and then I'll be back and we'll see if it's still on my eyelashes or not. Okay guys, so I did a full day with these lashes, including moving around and working out and all that good stuff. I do like them. There's some pros and cons, like with everything, right? There's always pros and cons. So con is, at some point I realized that I needed to adjust this lash, this one here. You have to put more liquid liner. So I think like if you wore this to work, you would need to make sure that you brought your liquid liner, because if you need to readjust it, you're gonna need to put more liquid liner on to do so. Eye creases, it, when you close your eye, it pulls. So it lasted pretty long for this point. I would say this lasted maybe 4 to 5 hours. So I think that's pretty long, especially since you're constantly blinking, so it's constantly pulling on that part. I think this is better than glue, because I can't stand glue, especially when it's near your eyes. I just can't stand glue personally. I always used to jack it up. My eyelashes would be like horrible. Okay, I'm gonna take the liner off, and I basically just poured some coconut oil on my hand, and I'm going to massage this out. Wipe, I'm just gonna press and dab.